when you're nothing to give. Living in a van down by the rivers where I live, where I live.
My camper van, like some of yours, came equipped with sliding windows instead of tip-out windows. The advantage is I have bug screens. The disadvantage, when this slides open, if it rains, water goes right in. There's a solution to this problem. Ordered these off of Amazon. They're from GT Styling, and they're called rain blades. Okay, they're very much like vent visors you see on pickups, cars, vans. They have some 3M adhesive on the back, and they're just a smoked acrylic. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Installation is going to be very basic. Find where you want to mount it, like right about there. A little bit. There we go. So we want to clean those mounting surfaces. We don't want any road grime, grease, wax, anything like that to interfere with the bond of the adhesive. I'm going to use some alcohol wipes to clean the surfaces, because that won't leave a residue. If you don't have alcohol wipes, just use rubbing alcohol and a clean towel. Put this down here. Now this van's going to be refinished here somewhat, well, in the future. I just don't know when, so I want these on first. So I am picking up some remnants of paint as I go along. I'm not going to worry about that. That just proves that my paint is heavily oxidized and failing. And here comes the garbage truck. Let's see if I can get these on, or at least this one on, before the trash truck runs. And just in case, I'm going to, we're peeling the tape. I don't know why they put this tape here, but I'm peeling this off. And I'm going to turn the audio off so you don't have to put up with it. That way you don't have to listen to my neighborhood garbage pickup.
But here by the river, I feel like I'm alive. Nature's heartbeat makes you remember why. Living in a van down by the river, singing loud. No ties, no change, just the rolling clouds. Freedom tastes real sweet when you're nothing to give. Living in a van down by the rivers where I live, where I live.
Okay, that's one side with the tape removed. I'm going to do the other side, which has very little on it, and then I'm going to remove the backing. there we go. We're done. I'm going to do the other side, and the rain blades are installed. Okay, so this is my design, kind of. The bottom piece was pre-existing. Really, it's a remix. I added the flag part of it with the screw holes. So you can see I'm picking off some squeeze out from silicone. So what I did here, 2 number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws and some GE silicone adhesive caulk. It's just going to slide in there. I believe I have, because I believe it only comes up to about here, so I'll have enough room for the hose to come out. I have wiring running down the wall. The wiring for the CPAP is going to come around as well. This panel is going to come out and be replaced with my IO panel as soon as I can successfully print an IO panel out. I'm having a lot of trouble with them. You can see the adhesive backing on the LED strip lights has failed. I'm waiting for some number 4 screws to come in. They should be here in 2 days. I've got some retaining clips that I've 3D printed, and all of this is going to be retained and clipped and screwed in. So most of this is wood behind the fabric. Behind here, it's wood. So I'm going to put the clips in and then just run the screw in to the fabric. Once that's done, I'll have the RGBW, or it's either RGBW or CMYKW, I don't remember which. Anyway, but the color shifting LED strips will be in the camper, so I should be able to have some nice ambiance. It is warm in the camper today, but that's okay. I'm not camping in it right now. And if I were, the top would be popped, the windows would be open. They're not. I just have the cargo doors open. So yeah, it's a little toasty. I'm done on the inside. Let's go to the outside. I've got the rain blades installed on both sides, and that is against the sliding door. The door itself doesn't hit, but the curtain kind of drifts into the rain blade. I can live with that for now.
Kicks up high, moonlight dip reflections in the water shine. Ain't a single soul round, just me, the stars above. Rust and freedom made it soar like love. Caught between cities, lost in time zone rhyme. Busted dreams and promises, yeah, living grind. But here by the river, I feel like I'm alive. Nature's heartbeat makes you remember why. Living in a van down by the river, singing loud. No ties, no chains, just the rolling clouds. Taste real sweet when you're nothing to give. Living in a van down by the rivers where I live, where I live. Motor hums the soundtrack, we chase the breeze. Midnight stallion roaming, just you and me. No 9-to-5 grind, no pushing up the hill. Find peace in the silence, our strength in the chill. stars feel like a sacred space. Every sunrise a promise, every sunset a vow. Living wild, living free, in the here and now. Living in a van down by the river, singing loud. No ties, no chains, just the rolling clouds. Freedom tastes real sweet when you're nothing to give. Living in a van down by the river's where I live. Living in a van down by the river, singing loud. No ties, no chains, just the rolling clouds. Freedom tastes real sweet when you're nothing to give. Living in a van down by the river's where I live. Where I live. Where I live. But here by the river, I feel like I'm alive. Nature's heartbeat makes you remember why. Living in a van down by the river, singing loud. No ties, no chains, just the rolling clouds. Freedom tastes real sweet when you're nothing to give.